So it's 11 a.m. and my first class is done. And right now I am eating my breakfast slash lunch because it's already 11 a.m. So yes, I'm eating vegetables. Oh, look at that face. Gutom ka girl, gi ka na kaon gid girl. Gi paspas girl, kaon og tarong. Oh, lamia. So now I don't have any laptop, so I make use of my smartphone. So yes, scroll lang tas gipang discuss ni ma'am ganina. So, char, kabutan ba nimo self-studying? Kagets de ka na girl. Sige ka na, scroll lang, tanaw lang, sweet lang ka ha. So, yeah, that is the outside world, guys, outside of the house. So, look at this. A phone stand made of Lego. So, if you have Lego in your house, use it as a phone stand like that. So, here's my notebook. Look. Daghan nagsulod. Mayuha ka good girl. Wow, so at the back, it's integral and then the front is differential. So this is my calculator, guys. So customize siya. I use nail polish for that glitters, shimmering. So like that. Nice, right? So here I am, char, studying kay si girl. Uy, nadi ka nasagdan. Sige ka na. Di lang ko manghilabot ni mo ha. Wow, integral pa more. Why di ka na girl? Pasensya na jud sa akong background ha, bati jud kaayo daghan king clothes, charmer bag ako anak katir man na. So awa ko. Oh, grabe. Uy. Ka-focus ba girl? Kana mayuwa gud nimo girl. So yes, studying gyapon. So it's me, Kar&Edz. So for today's video, this will be a study with me vlog plus chit chat. So for those who haven't known me yet, I am Kar&Edz Tek-ing, an upcoming second-year college student taking up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering at the University of Cebu. So for today's video, guys, I am studying. It's because I have a online summer class. Well, I have an online summer class. It is because first is that it is online because we all know we can't go to the school literally, so we're using internet to study because of this pandemic. And second is that I am having a summer class. It is because I have 3 prerequisite subject which is to be taken up so that I could catch up with the STEM students, because way back when I was a senior high, my strand is general academic strand, and you know, general academic strand is very different from civil engineering course which I take up this college. So that's why we have a 3 prerequisite subject so that we could, you know, we could level with those STEM students. So that's it. That's why I have a summer online class. Supposedly, guys, I should take 3 subjects or 9 units for this summer, but I only take up 2 subjects or 6 units for this summer because it's online, and I think I can't handle those 3 subjects. It's because the other one is integral calculus, the other one is physics, and the other one is PE. So what I pick is that the integral calculus, which is, it is a prerequisite for the 2 subjects next sem, and also PE, a prerequisite for the next PE 103. So I only take integral calculus and PE 102. I didn't take PE last sem because I take other subjects rather than PE. Physics, I didn't take the physics this online summer, because I know I'm not really good in physics, and I think online or self-studying is very hard for me. So that's why I didn't take it. And gladly, some of my classmates are like struggling with the physics right now, those who took up physics this online. I'm really glad that I didn't take it because it would still cost some money. And okay, so that's it. I took up integral calculus and PE 102. My schedule in integral calculus is every 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. every Mondays to Fridays. So that really changes my routine because, you know, this quarantine, nahimo natang tapulan, kapoy na ko'y bangon. I commonly woke up at around 9 a.m. or almost 9 a.m. during this quarantine, but because of the summer online class, now alas 6 akong mata. So that's it. It really changes my routine. My PE 102 class is every 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. every Wednesdays to Fridays. So in that case, every Mondays and Tuesdays, that is my free time. Yes, Monday and Tuesday afternoon. So today is Monday, and right now I think it is 2 p.m. Yes, it's 2 p.m. and I'm still studying right now because our midterm is coming this Friday. This summer online class is very, very fast, Every day, there are topics to be discussed. So, grabe siya kapaspas ang kaning summer online class because it will just took about 1 month for us. Lately, in the morning, we had a video conference with our instructor, and she discussed to us about those topics that would be part of the midterm examination. I don't know kung saan na mo ang midterm examination. Maybe mag-video call me so that walay cheating nga mahitabo. Then, so that's it. Daghan ka siyang gi-discuss kanina. Grabe, gid ka sakit sa ulo ganina. Mo to, biduka pa jud ko. Imbes mamahaw ko, so I get a coffee para din ako dukaon. So karon man ako, hyper na kayo. So muna siya guys. So the coffee is very effective. If you're asking me why did I choose civil engineering as my course for this college? Well, it's really not my intention way back because I have this changeable mindset, changeable mind, wherein I really don't know what decision to make or what path should I take. So way back when I was still in junior high, I really don't know what to take until I come to grade 10, and our teacher in mathematics is very, very nice. She's one of my favorite teacher, and because of her, I thought of taking BS Ed major in mathematics for my college years. And then it changes again when I go to senior high on grade 11. I really don't like mathematics until grade 12. I started to like it again. But guys, I have chosen this civil engineering course 1 week before the enrollment. Yes, 1 week before I enrolled. That's the time when I okay, I'll just take this course. Parang dalit gani kaayo. Uban kasi good kay that course is kanang giplan na nila for many years, but ako 1 week before they kuha na siya na plan. So that's the time na jud nga nakanon ako okay. But before I like civil engineering talaga to take this up, but I have the fear of mathematics, and then right now I faced my fears. That's a very good thing for me. I faced my fear. I'm not really good in mathematics, really. I'm not good in mathematics, but I have the willingness to learn mathematics more. I want to know mathematics more because, mathematics is all around us So, muna siya. So, if you're asking me if civil engineering is a hard course, well, actually, yes, it is. But I could say every course is hard. It depends on the people because different challenges if you're taking another course, so it is still difficult, but the challenge is not like in civil engineering. So in civil engineering, the challenge is that you should be good in math, or you should be willing to learn mathematics. You should also have that skill to draw. You know what, guys? I have known a lot of students and also a teacher that they are not really good in drawing, but they're really good in comprehending. They're really good in calculations like that. So still doesn't go on, because if that's your dream, you will do whatever it takes. If you're not good at it, but it's your dream, you will take the risk and you will put some extra effort. So everything is challenging. Every course is hard, guys. One thing I should recommend to you, if you're a upcoming senior high student and you want to take engineering courses or science courses, medicine, you should take the STEM strand. If you also want to take BS Ed major in math or science, it's better if you're gonna take STEM as your strand in senior high, because for me, I am a GAS graduate as a general academic strand student. So right now I'm taking civil engineering, so there's really a boundaries between that two. So I'm trying to break it up. So that's why I'm taking this summer online class to level with the STEM students. Yes, so that's it. So if you're really willing to take civil engineering, engineering courses and other sciences and mathematics related courses for the college, is that you should take the STEM. Same pa rin siya sa mga UMS o GAS, kasi you should dapat align kasi ikaw lang yung, you will be the one who will gonna suffer. I don't know if the term suffer is good to use. If I just know that I would take the civil engineering course in my college years, is that I should take STEM. I feel sorry for those people who took courses that are not in line with their passion or in line with their dreams, because it is really hard, guys. If you're taking this course but you don't like it, it is so challenging, guys. I know that. I knew some of my classmates taking civil engineering, but they don't like it. So I know it's very hard for them, but still, they're kaya. So that's it. I don't know if I would really be a licensed civil engineer, but hopefully I will exert much effort to get that license, to get the degree. I really hope so, because we don't know kasi that time. We don't know the flow of the time, if we're really into it. As long as if naan siya na karon I'm into this situation, I'll gonna pursue this. I'll gonna give some extra effort to this one. All I can say to you is that take the course which you love. So shout out to those students who are taking their online summer classes these days, and shout out to Ringmark Issue, ingon siya nga, shout out siya. Then to Peter Marie Revilla, my former classmate way back when I was junior high. He's the one who's telling me like, talk about this, about your course, is it really hard or something like that. So thank you for recommending. So that's it, guys. I really hope it makes sense, all the things that I have told you. I hope you have learned from it, and stay hydrated. So before I'm gonna end this video, I'm gonna give you a verse from Psalms 22:11. Be not far from me, for trouble is near, and there is none to help. So take time to reflect on this verse, guys. I hope you will learn something up from this verse, that He's the only one whom we could rely on, because He's a powerful God, a mighty God. So if you have trouble, if you have problems, rely on Him, not on people. People can help, but don't rely on them. Puno na siya ako notebook. Thank you, Ate Casey, for this notebook. I'm gonna buy another one like this. Customized notebook. So that's it for today's video, guys. Bye-bye. I really recommend to you guys Organic Chemistry channel on YouTube, because it talks about physics, chemistry, and calculus, which is very understandable. So click it.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.